fly away.
Here, look at me, Weasel.
Waiting for us here.
That's what she just said. She's too much blown.
Back up. Back up so you're closer by him.
Alright, shoot. Go. No, you don't have to yell.
Look at
He's
Miles.
a wild animal. Miles, he's a nice bird. Don't yell at him.
You said a bad word to me.
What?
That he's gonna pick my head.
Well, he will. He could, buddy.
Look at Miles. Look at Miles. How close he is.
Miles is right next to him, Callie.
I'm gonna run to the drugstore and get some tape.
See, Miles is walking
I'll
with
go
him.
get you some.
Oh my gosh. Look at.
See if they have me
Look at Miles.
I wanna go see about,
We're gonna go with it.
she wants to go to church tonight too.
Oh my gosh. Look at Miles.
Talk about church.
Huh?